Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record laptop screen with video and audio easy tutorial. So if you don't know this feature yet, so this is actually a built-in app or you could install this on Microsoft Store. So this one is called Snipping Tool. So let's search that one here onto the search bar. So this is not just for recording screen, but also for screenshotting screen. So this is actually famous for screenshots, but you could also use this to go ahead and record your laptop screen. So as you can see in here, we have here the camera option. So this one is for the screenshot and this one, the video icon is for the record or the screen recording. So you could use the shortcut key, which is Windows logo K plus Shift plus R to start recording onto your PC. But let's try to change some settings in here if you want to include your audio. So click onto the three dots here and click on settings. So this will open settings just like this. And just go ahead and try to see which one you want to go ahead and activate. Like, for example, this. Include microphone input by default when a screen recording starts. So let's turn that on. Also, if you want to include the system audio, click this one or toggle this on. Then right after, once you're already satisfied with your settings, just go ahead and do the shortcut key in here to start recording. And that is how easy to record laptop screen with video and audio easy tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.